Welcome. In front of me is an Air 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here scroll all the way down to System, and then choose Reset Options. From the options, you want to select the last one, Erase All Data, Factory Reset, which will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which most importantly includes things like music, photos, and other user data. Now the last one, the other user data, is the most vague one, but probably the most important, as that basically includes everything that you have put on the device yourself, like documents, photos, well, that will also include photos and music, anything that you have downloaded, all the application, all that stuff. Technically, everything listed here is all user data. So in any case, if you have anything on the device that you would like to preserve, you might probably want to consider creating a backup of your device. You can do that either through Google Backup, or better off, you can just plug it in via cable to your computer and just copy over all the data manually. Now, I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm just going to select Erase All Data twice. And this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take approximately 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.